probably like 3/4.
That's
You
half.
know what turbine jets, you can get them at Banana Hobby.
Yeah, but they're foam.
The HSD, the super viper.
Yeah. But you can also get one of those in F.
Yeah, the Mirage and yeah, I know.
Hey, Robert.
No, he's half.
If he opens up, the horse lady will complain.
Oh, that thing moves.
No, he flew it at Oakdale and he opened it up. Holy shit, that thing's
Were you there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a K-Tech, what, 180?
It's a 140.
And I think people have put 180s in those, right?
Oh, yeah.
Well, it depends on how you want to set it up. That's newtons. Yeah.
That's like $1,000, right?
No.
That's like $30,000.
Did he build it or something, or did he get it?
It comes from Arc. So it comes, the whole airframe comes together. You just have to put your own
They
parts.
hold energy too.
The turbine costs like $5,000. So yeah, it's probably like $20,000.
God, that plane is beautiful.
The servos all up cost like $600.
Nah, more than that.
I bet if you crashed, you'd be a very sad man.
Well, yeah, I mean when you crash these things, they catch on fire. You can't really do anything about it.
We got fire extinguishers.
Yeah, I know. By the time you get to it,
Yeah,
I mean,
it's
the
always
guy-
a fire.
the guy in the hat next to the pilot of that, he was flying a big Viper and the wing ripped off and hit the ground and big explosion. It was down to the fiberglass paper.
Wow.
Yeah, that was
Has
crazy.
Robert crashed any of his turbines yet?
You know, when you fly, you're gonna crash. It's just there's no way around it. The more you fly, the more likely you are to kill something.
Gosh, that is beautiful.